Hello friend, welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. I'm at the local auction. Well, local, not where I live, I'm visiting. And here is a Tacoma for sale. It's kind of odd how everything's falling apart on it. Obviously this is sunny area, it's exposed sun, so you can see the clear coat, and I will say that's normal, I guess. What is weird is this absolutely gross tires and rims, so there's a lot of weird stuff on this vehicle. Even this cover, I'm not sure what's up with this vehicle, but I want to show you on this generation. And what is this Taco? It's a 2008. It's a pre-runner TRD. On this generation, we were at the dealer under warranty changing the headlights, because in front of these bulbs right here, it's starting slowly melting. The bulb was melting that yellow area, but I want to show you. I never saw it. For us it was kind of interesting, because we were throwing away, we were replacing it for free, the whole unit. The customer was getting new headlight, and we were throwing it in the dumpster just because there was a little bit here, maybe melt or something, but I never saw it going so bad, and I wanted to share that with you. 2008 Tacoma headlights. Look at its craziness. You will almost think that actually could catch on fire or something. Never saw it so bad. Wanted to show it to you. This is pretty shocking. So Toyota knew about it at that time, and as I said, it was under recall and we were replacing those for free. But I believe that was a limited one. They don't do it. I had customer with 2010 and they said nope, it's not covered and we don't do that for free anymore. So that was a little technical tech detail for this channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.